Hi, I'm Eleftheria and welcome to another mountain adventure. I'll begin with a relief trail of my hike, tracing my route step by step through the majestic landscape of Mountain Koziakas. The journey starts at Pertouli ski center, nestled in the wide alpine meadows of Pertouliotika Livadia at an altitude of 1,130 meters. Framed between the peaks of Koziakas and Boudoura mountains, the landscape here is open, peaceful and full of promise. We cross the meadows and a small wooden bridge before picking up a dirt road that leads us into the forest. After a short while, we leave the road behind and step onto a beautiful forest path. It gently winds its way up the western slope of Koziakas mountain, shaded by towering pines and blanketed by moss and wildflowers, which I'm going to ID in this video. And these are Pertouliotika Livadia. The trail continues to ascend gradually, reaching 1,630 meters, where it becomes a bit more adventurous. A short, steep section between rocky outcrops adds a thrill before leading us onto the high plateau. For those who prefer an easier option, there is an alternate tractor road to the left, skirting past a sheepfold and bypassing the steeper part. I chose to go up by the steep trail, it's called Luki in Greek, and went down following the gentler route. These are wild violets. This is Koziakas Mountain Refuge, perched at 1,700 meters. Surrounded by alpine views and mountain silence, it's a perfect rest stop. Right behind the refuge is Bakola Spring, offering cold, fresh mountain water, a small oasis for both hikers and grazing animals. After enjoying the refuge, you'll need to hike back down to the starting point, so make sure to bring sturdy shoes and walking sticks to keep your steps safe and steady. This herb is called Solinanthus. And this is hawthorn. That's Petacitis growing next to a small stream. And that's Ajuga reptans. That's Aremonia agriminoides. And that's veratrum, a very toxic plant. And that's the small wooden bridge at the start and the end of the trail. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to channel for more adventures.